Welcome to Purple Trading, where we invite you to open a trading demo account and experience the best that the industry has to offer in cTrader. To get started, simply go to our website at www.purpletrading.com. You may select your own language, and should you ever need assistance, our chat line is available. Simply enter your name and email address and your question, and a customer service agent will be with you shortly. Click on Demo and fill in the form as required with your preferred language. Under Platform, select cTrader. Under Select Account Type, choose ECN with a fixed leverage for now. Once you have mastered cTrader demo trading, you may wish to open a live account, at which point your customer service agent will explain the different types of accounts, or you can find full information under Conditions, Account Types. Click Select Currency for your account. Type in a desired initial balance, followed by your full name, residential country, email, and phone number, and tick the data protection disclaimer. Click on Open My Demo Account. A new page will inform you of the possibilities of using cTrader as a desktop platform on Windows or Mac. You may also use cTrader as a web-based platform, both of which will be demonstrated later in this video series. You will have received 3 emails. The first will be from Spotware, the developer of cTrader, asking you to confirm your new cTrader ID. Click here and create your new password. The second email will provide you with details of your new Purple Trading demo account. The third email will offer you a link to both desktop and web-based platforms. Now, click the link cTrader Trading Platform for Windows. This will download the .exe file for Purple Trading's cTrader. cTrader will then launch, and you will be asked to enter your registered email and new password. You will then be presented with your own cTrader dashboard where you may manage your account details. Your Purple Trading cTrader demo is now ready to use, and of course, which we will cover in more detail later in this video series. You also have the option of using the cTrader web-based platform by clicking on the appropriate link. You will again be asked to log in with your registered email address and password. You will note that cTrader Web looks very similar to cTrader Desktop, and we will demonstrate the differences between the two during this video series. One of the big advantages of cTrader is its comprehensive mobile trading platform, which you can access from the iOS App Store for iPhone and from Google Play for Android. Search for Purple Trading and you will see the listing for Purple Trading cTrader, which you may download. Again, enter your registered email address and password and tap Login. You now have access to all 3 platforms, and any transactions, trades, and notifications will be mirrored on all 3 with perfect server-based synchronization. Whether you are a beginning trader or have experience trading on other platforms, we hope you will enjoy this cTrader video series and embarking on your new exciting trading journey with Purple Trading. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to be purple.